Hello there, I will be showing you what it's like to be a basketball backboard, but just with my tablet. Here we go. Shooting like this. Oh, there's almost. Okay. I'm going to do something even more worse. Dunk. So here's something I wanted to show you yesterday. Yeah, I showed you the Batman fidget spinner and all, but I can do it better spinning it. I'll see you after I open it. So here it is out of the packaging. I'm gonna put that on there. You can see it spinning already. But I will sit you right here. Now, what I didn't show you last time was Batman. Batman. Well, it's right in the center. Okay, this is Batman. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Then look. Oh, it doesn't spin good on surfaces like that, but it spins good like this. I do not know how to do tricks, so don't ask me to do a trick in the comment. See? Oh. Okay, so after I put it back in the package. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do not throw that over my gate. Bryson, do not throw that over my gate. No. Good boy. Hey. Don't do it. Bryson ruined my meme. So here it is. Learning Express, like I said. Best way to get them. See you after this. You know what? Paranormal activity. Wow, so paranormal.